Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the recently built tool section, and this section is primarily for the option traders who are willing to take advantage of the option analytics. So let's go and look into the tool section and we'll try to understand those data visualization and what is the new feature is all about. Alright, if you would have upgraded OpenAlgo to the latest version, you'll be finding this tool section. You can find that there are total 9 features which are available inside the tool section. So let's go to the option chain here. You'll be finding this very simple option chain for Nifty. However, you'll be able to switch to any different symbols. Let's say you want a Bank Nifty, you can just simply type and select the underlying as Bank Nifty. You'll be able to select the watch list and you'll be able to control the number of strikes that you would like to see, right? So it's up to you, like how many strikes that you want to see at any given point in time. And you can also switch to the different exchange like BSE, Sensex or BankX, anything that you want to see. You'll be able to see anything, any kind of option chain. Instantly, you'll be able to watch it out. And the best part is, let's say I'll want to place an order. I can able to easily place an order from here. It opens up a simple place order window. I can go and select those uh, let's say like I want to set the quantity as like in lot size or in number of shares, right? So it's up to me like what type of order I want to place, whether a market order, limit order, SLM. These are the list of order which is supported right now, and you can also see the market depth as well, and accordingly you'll be able to place those orders as well. So let me place an order over here. Instantly you'll be getting a quick confirmation also. And the most important thing is like you also have more controls as well. Let's say you have a controls to switch between the bar data, right? So you can also switch between the open interest or volume, and you can also switch between the bar style. You can see like gradient style is what you are having, the histograms. You can also switch to solid as well, like better to keep it in gradient. And you can also control which columns you want to see, which you don't want to see. All those things you can control, and you can also rearrange the columns as well, right? So you can reorder those columns. Everything is possible from the option chain section. All right, now move on to the historical option Greeks over here. So in this option Greeks, you can quickly see the at the money IVs for various instruments. And the next tool is like, let's say the open interest tracker, one of the favorite tool among option traders. So where you can go and track the open interest for the various expiries and various symbols also. So you can go and see the weekly expiry, monthly expiry, open interest. All those things you'll be able to see from the OI tracker. And so the next interesting tool is the max pain, right? So probably the similar features are available to figure out where the max pain is. Mostly a very interesting tool for an option seller. And we have a straddle chart. This will be fetching the systematic futures. I would say like it is more of an dynamic intraday at the money straddle charts, and you can also track the spot price along with that and also the synthetic future price, right? And you can also switch between different time frames as well, or different days of historical backfill, or even different symbol or different exchanges. So all those controls are available in the dynamic ATM intraday straddle charts. The most important tool is the volatility surface. Like if you want to visualize the volatility, then you can use this 3D volatility surface tool. It'll be generating a 3D diagram of the volatility surface across the selected expiries. Let's say like 4 expiries are selected here, and you can also get to know about the 360-degree view about the volatility, right? And you can get a pretty good idea about the wall surface. The next important tool is the GEX Dashboard. Again, a very interesting dashboard for the option sellers. So here you will get to know the gamma exposure, and from the IV smile, again a favorite tool to understand where the IVs are overbought, oversold, whether IVs are expanding or compressing. You'll get to know more about this IV smile, and you can also switch back between multiple symbols again, and if you see the final tool, which is the OI profile, right? The OI profile shows you the price chart on the left hand side and the open interest charts on the right hand side. And even this feature also, you'll be able to switch across different various instruments. It takes a little bit of data because it takes a little bit of time because it loads a lot of data. A lot of calculations are happening behind the scenes. And yes, so once all the calculations are done, you should be able to see the OI profile charts. Yeah, so there it is. So I guess these are the list of tools which we had built inside OpenAlgo. Now it is accessible across all the brokers who were supporting history and ensure that you are having access to the WebSockets, right? So let me know which tool that you are liking the most in the comments, and what tool you would like to see inside OpenAlgo. And as usual, see you in at another video with more interesting content. Thank you. I hope you like the option tools. And let me know in comments what exactly that we should build the next option tool inside OpenAlgo. Thank you.